One thing that I'm loving about Tellius' new agent mode is the ability to run custom agentic workflows to automate multi-step analyses exactly the way I want. For those analyses I know I should be doing and already know exactly how to do, I just don't have the time to be doing them regularly. Let me show you what I mean. Here's the scenario. Imagine I'm a leader at an e-commerce brand and I want to diagnose our revenue performance across our product mix to improve conversion rates with different customer segments. Typically, this might take my team 3 days to manually stitch together analysis via dashboards, Excel, SQL queries, time-consuming Python-based correlation analysis, CLTV calculations, and then finally patching that all together into a deck. Not only does that take a lot of time, but if I ask 3 different analysts, I might get 3 different answers. But with custom workflows, in Tellius, I can choose from a library of domain-specific workflows or build my own. Watch this. I can quickly put together a revenue deep dive. First, I give it a name, then a description, and then I point it at my e-commerce data. After that, in plain English, I put in my 7 steps that I typically walk through to examine revenue trends, calculate key metrics, spot correlations, and compile actionable insights. Now, when I ask a question about revenue, the custom workflow comes to life, executing the exact analytical approach I want. It's pulling our revenue for the last 6 months, calculating percentage changes, spotting categories driving revenue growth, retrieving average order volume the exact way I want, and then it's outputting a fully interactive and editable analysis, visualizations, narratives, alongside executive summaries, strategic recommendations, info on the data sources, methodology used, and some follow-on questions. And what's great is I can look into every step of the process, see the SQL and Python code generated, so it's fully auditable. After that, I can ask a pretty complex follow-on question like, what if we increase prices by 10% in our top 3 categories? How would that impact revenue? A question I haven't previously asked, and our deep insight mode just kicked in to automatically plan and execute the analysis. Think about this for a moment. This is really powerful. Custom workflows gave me repeatable rigor and helped me codify my domain expertise into an ever-growing library of domain-specific options that are human-designed and agent-executed. Meanwhile, Deep Insight mode is helping me explore by designing analytical paths on the fly, so I can have consistency and exploration. Executive brand snapshots, monthly compliance reviews, territory performance deep dives, turn those into workflows. Add them to your library, call upon them whenever you need them. Novel questions you never thought about, use Deep Insights and let the agent figure out the best way to answer it. And if you like what you've generated, turn those into custom workflows. The sky's the limit.